Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to make Dalgona coffee at home without any machine in just few simple steps. So let's get started. So first of all we need some coffee powder itself. Then we need some sugar according to our taste. Here we are not using any machine, so we use a whisk. Then we need a spoon and a bowl to prepare the mixture. You may take any bowl present at your home. Then we need to boil some water as we need to complete the mixture. After putting 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and 3 tablespoons of sugar, now slowly put the hot water to the mixture. This is how the mixture will look like. Stir it well. Keep adding water as per the requirement. After stirring 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the mixture will look like. As the mixture is ready, take a glass with some ice cubes in it and add some chilled milk into the glasses. So now finally everything is ready. Put the mixture on top of the milk. And here you go. Your Dalgona coffee is ready. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you find it useful. So like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Till then, bye bye.